Quality at TriStar is utmost for our customers. We have a very rigorous quality control program, and it's supported by a solid foundation in technology. And we also are compliant with ISO 9001:2015, and we also practice 5S. SysPro is our ERP software. It's a fantastic foundation for all of our systems here at TriStar. One of our add-ons is the Unipoint Quality Management System. Every job we do is a different job. We don't make the same part every day. Every job will call for a different tool to be made as well as a different tool to be inspected by. We have multiple pieces of equipment that our inspectors can use to actually do the inspections. We have an optical comparator machine and a very high-tech coordinate measurement machine that is actually connected direct into the software. About 3 years ago, we added the mobile inspection module. What that allowed us to do was to put tablets in the hands of all of our machine operators. And now they're able to do the actual inspection at their machines and make sure they're correct. From our customer's perspective, quality means when they give us a drawing, we give them back a part that meets that drawing specifications exactly. Some of the products that we make will go into national infrastructure. They'll go to the Department of Defense. They'll go into medical devices. These are places that there is no room for error.